really cool job. At least I think so. I'm about to try to salvage an old car that's been sitting on a field or some kind of grassy area for the past 30 years. Owners have tried to winch it out or something, but with no luck. So they contacted us to lift it out onto a car trailer of some sort. I have no idea how it looks, what kind of car it is. Nothing. I know one thing. Clouds look sad today. Let's hope for the best, but expect the worst. At least I got coffee. This will be interesting. It's supposed to be down here. Ah, I see it. It's this car here. It's an old SAAB. Lift it onto that trailer. Nice. I could. All right. We've got these steel wheels. Perhaps we can get a hook in one of these. Owner has accepted any damage that will come to this car from this lift. Of course, I'll try to be as gentle as possible, but if it gets a dent or two, it'll be okay. So let's see what we can do. Okay, this is the plan. I will try to put slings in the wheels and just lift it out of there. As little damage as possible, of course. Of course, I know this is not the best way to do this. Maybe it is the best way, but edges are not that sharp, and I don't think it's that heavy. So I will sacrifice these in case it goes wrong. All right, same with the other side. It seems like nature tried to take over this one. Well, it's about to lose. Will this work? Or will I break my slings? We're about to find out. That was indeed pretty easy. Let's check the balance of the trailer. Oh, no problem. Good. Easy as pie. Pack it up again. No damage to these. Perfect. My only problem now is that my feet are wet. always keep your gear neat and tidy. Don't need these. I folded the crane, you idiot. Why did I fold the crane? It's raining. It's newly washed and it keeps cleaner behind the cab than on the bed. So that's the only reason, really. I'm done. All the pads are in and the legs are up. Let's go. Easy job. I didn't know what to expect, but that was super easy. Going home and we'll see what the next one will be. Until next time, drink coffee.